guys, it's Martha here with you, and today I'm here to share the October 2019 Club La La Land Crafts kit with you. This month is a super adorable kit, just a fantastic value for your money as always. So let's just dive right into it. The dies this month are these really cool scene building dies. So there's a few things here. So we have got the lake die, which is this. And then this also goes in there kind of like as a spotlight, if you will, or however else you want to use it. And then we've got the mountains, the mountain die, and then the mountain caps. And then also these really fantastic trees. So I just absolutely love scene cards or scene building, and I always have, so I'm super excited for these. Alright, so here we have the product sheet for this month. So the stamps are, there's two stamp sets. One is Warm Hugs Marci, and she comes with 2 sentiments: sending warm hugs and lots of love, and then joyful winter wishes. And then there's the Winter Piggies set, and they come with it's beginning to look a lot like winter, which is my personal favorite. Skating by with a winter high. And then it comes with this cute little snowman, and it comes with these 3 adorable piggies. One is sledding, skating, and just hanging out. So I think that it's really fantastic. And as you know, the kit is $40 US, and the retail value is $68.99. So you're saving 30 bucks pretty much right there, which is really fantastic. All right. So let's show you my projects with this month's kit. So I do have a few supporting characters from our normal line in my projects today. I used the Golden Sunset paper pad, one of our 6x6 paper pads, 80-pound cardstock. It's printed on. Fantastic paper. I love paper. I'm obsessed with paper, and this paper is so beautiful and so glossy. Let me grab, I'm just going to grab a full pack here and give you a quick fan through of what they look like, this particular paper pad. So look how beautiful. It is absolutely stunning. It's got this really nice glossy feel to it, finish. So that's one side. It is double-sided. You heard me right, it is double-sided. Look how scrumptious. Absolutely beautiful. Just there's no other words. Absolutely beautiful and so rich and just gorgeous. And this is the one that's called Golden Sunset, and that'll be linked below. All right, so the first one that I made is with the cute little piggies, and it is a, I don't even know what to call it. I think it's like an accordion card or something. I kind of just made it up myself for the most part. I knew what I wanted, so that's how I put it together. So I've used the lake, I've used it as clouds back here. So I think that was kind of cool. And then the mountains are behind that little piggy, the sledding piggy there. And then he is skating there on part of the lake. And then I put the sentiment here. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and then some of the little trees. And I used our double-stitched frame, square frames, for most of this card. It is the base of it, basically. And then I also used it to cut out this beautiful frame from the Golden Sunset paper pad right there. And then I also used one of our long flags dies for my sentiment here. So this card, in the next few days, give me about a week for sure, I should have it up. I'm going to have a tutorial on this card. So it does fold flat for mailing, folds completely flat, so you can mail it in the mail, and then when they get it, they can lift it up and display it or whatnot. So one more quick look at that cutie. Absolutely love these piggies, and I did color them with my Copic markers. All right, So next I have the beautiful Marci here, and she's also with one of the little piggies, and they're holding hands, and it says sending warm hugs and lots of love. So again, they're colored with my Copic markers, and what I've done here is I actually took my white cardstock and I cut the lake shape out of it a few times, and then I cut the same shape out of my Golden Sunset paper pad and I inlaid them. And I just think it makes such a fantastic background, and it's an unusual way to use that die, I think. And then I've put some of the little red trees all the way around. I cut some of the trees in red, and then I just cut the sentiment here on one of our double stitch circle dies as well. So this kit is available if you sign up by the 20th. Your subscription will start with this kit, which you know you want it. It's fantastic for Christmas cards, for just winter, for anything, because I think, especially living in Canada, winter's really long. It's winter till like the end of April. So I have a lot of use for this kind of a set, and what I really like is that you can just send thinking of you cards in the winter, because you know, it's nice to know that someone's thinking of you when it's, you know, -30. So I think that's fantastic. So I'm going to get a lot of use out of this set particularly. And so yes, like I said, you have until the 20th to sign up. And I would suggest you do, because it is a fantastic kit. Alright, so everything will be linked below, including the link to the kit itself. And I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you again soon.